Beer review time. I score beers out of 100. I am with Mr. Arpit, and Arpit was what with us in Gurgaon.
Yes, I was there in Gurgaon.
We did a bunch of reviews in Gurgaon. At which downtown? नहीं downtown नहीं.
Yes, we did downtown, and we did another one also. We did
उसको वो चुतिया था बहन.
the one they didn't allow us to shoot there.
You know what I heard? I know a person. तो वो बोल रहा था मुझे कि जो नीचे वाला ब्रूअरी है उसके पास लाइसेंस नहीं है. तो that's why they weren't allowing us to shoot. कि हम शूट कर लेंगे, किसी को पता चल जाएगा कि वो लाइसेंस बिना कर रहे हैं तो बंद हो जाएगा.
I think हमें स्टिंग ऑपरेशन करना चाहिए वहां जाके and we should.
We are at Ma Ke Sieta Venuti Afa. How do you pronounce it? I don't know how to pronounce it. Scusi. Arpit, how was your dating scene been in Roma?
Bonacosta.
What the fuck is Bonacosta?
Sorry. Conta Costa.
Now, what does Conta Costa mean?
Conta Costa is how you say, I like you, you look beautiful.
Wow, beautiful. Okay. He's a real romantic, Mr. Arpit. We are having the NEPA, right? New England IPA by Ritual Lab, which is a Roman brewery. It's called Ritual Lab, Holly Haze, all right? 6.3% ABV, €7 for 40 CL. I still don't know what 40 CL is. Cheers. It's beautiful. I like it. It's thoda bitter, very fruity.
It's not bitter at all.
It's very slightly bitter, but like you expect an IPA to be bitter, it's not that bitter.
Yeah,
it's
not,
cold.
I didn't find it bitter.
It's chilled.
Yeah.
It's chilled. It's fruity. It's slightly hoppy.
Yeah.
It's very drinkable.
It tastes like orange juice.
Yes, it's definitely like citrusy. Yeah, citrusy.
Yeah.
But like afternoon के लिए तो सही है ना? You can.
Yeah. Afternoon, good morning, whatever. It's good. Orange juice, breakfast type of beer.
तूने अब तक कितनी बियर पी ली है?
Count छोड़ दिया.
I don't know. 4, 3, 4, 5, 4.
उतने no.
तीन, चार.
I'm on my like 5th beer or something. You can't be on your 5th beer.
No, because I also had the lemon. What was it called? Lemoncello.
वो तो सबने पिया limoncello and prosecco.
हाँ, तो उसके साथ एक बियर पिया एंड उसके बाद हम जहाँ पिज्जा प्लेस पे गए वहाँ पे 2 बियर पिया एंड देन आई केम हियर हैड अनदर ड्रिंक एंड फिर ये वाला भी पी रहे हैं और बीच में भी किसी से सिप भी लिया तो
वैसे तो मेरे 10 हो गए. नहीं वैसे तो मेरे 10 हो गए भाई.
ओह अच्छा.
We've got a bunch of hecklers in the crowd. Yeah.
No, I think let's not call them hecklers. They are just challenged.
But no, I said challenge in what way? Mentally, physically.
All of the above.
Sexually challenged is how I want to put it because clearly.
But one second. You're calling. You're calling them.
मैंने सुना.
ए टकले.
Wow.
Exactly. You're calling.
हमें आके मैडम ने चुप करा दिया.
डांट की गई.
मतलब डांटा भी नहीं, बस आंखें दिखा के चली गई.
भाई वो उसने डांटा और इधर इसका लौड़ा खड़ा हो गया.
भाई, I can see so many people putting their hands on their crotches right now. अगर आप सामने, if you could see, कैमरा टर्न नहीं कर सकते मैं अभी हम. And there is a man called Dhaya Singh. He has covered his crotch with his fanny pack.
Remember, I'm not an alcoholic. I'm just doing this for you guys.
I don't think I can finish the whole thing.
I think Bubs is the only one who chugged as much as me.
Yeah, I think Bubs has the kind of capacity to take it in all.
So true. But this is actually, I never thought I'd like an IPA like NEPA, but this is a very smooth NEPA. It's not very bitter.
Yeah.
It's hoppy. It's fresh. It's very citrusy and I like it.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
It's a very morning drink. It feels like something that you would have with breakfast, you know.
अब ये तो breakfast का पता नहीं.
Orange juice जैसा है.
ठीक है.
नींबू पानी, orange juice kind of a beer. Yeah. No, it tastes like orange juice also. ना citrusy है.
Amsterdam में कौन था?
Amsterdam में वो था मछली का.
तूने wit beer नहीं पिया उधर? Wit beer नहीं पिया तुमको? कैसा था wit beer? Amazing. Amazing review. They're saying it's great. Would you like to add anything else?
Yes.
No, it's fine. I'm good.
Spoon, you're good. All right. Rating.
I think it's a pretty solid 85 for me.
85, yeah, I think it's around 85. I'll give it an 84 out of 100, or like 83 or 84, somewhere around that. But it's a good, definitely a good IPA. Again, Maki Sieta Venutiafa. If you come to Rome, come here. It's like a huge brewery. 18 different beers, or like at least 10 different beers today.
Yeah, and the bartender is really nice. She gives great suggestions, and she's really polite.
Yeah, she is very nice. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, moving on.